This is a must-have accessory for your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra, and this is Auto Pro X. This device enables Samsung Dex right in your car. You can check out their website if your car is on their list or not. But all I know is that if your car has Android Auto, then it should work. The initial setup process is also kinda simple. Just plug in the device into your car's Android Auto port. It comes with both USB Type A and USB Type C connectors. Once connected, you will see a screen that says Android Auto or Auto Pro X. By the way, this also enabled wireless Android Auto on my car. That means you're getting wireless Samsung Dex and Android Auto with Auto Pro X. Android Auto is super smooth here. But right now, let's see Samsung Dex. Just tap here and swipe down on your Samsung Galaxy. You will see wireless Samsung Dex in this quick panel. That is right here. Now tap it, and after some time, Auto Pro X will pop up here. Tap on Auto Pro X, and that's it. The light on Auto Pro X should turn green. Now you are using Samsung Dex right in your car. With Samsung Dex, you can do a ton of stuff in your car that you were able to do with your Galaxy. For example, you can watch Netflix. Video quality is amazing here, and the best part is that this is working wirelessly. Then with Samsung Dex in your car, you can watch any video on YouTube. That is my favorite feature, by the way. Just see, there is no excessive lag, and it works like magic. Then you can browse the web using Samsung web browser. You can use your phone as a trackpad. For that, simply swipe down on your Galaxy and tap this option that says Use as a trackpad. Swipe with one finger to use the mouse, and swipe with two fingers to scroll up and down. You can do some crazy multitasking too. For example, I'll open the YouTube app and I'll check out my Samsung Notes. Or I can use the calculator app. And if you have few games on your Galaxy, then you can play those right in your car. This is kinda cool way to kill that time. So that was all about the latest Auto Pro X. This is now updated with better speed and performance. Just check out the link down in description. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.